Hey guys, welcome back to the Piktochart channel. I'm Seth, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on one of our AI features. Here we are in the AI-powered visual generator page with all of our AI tools, and today we're going to take a look at the object eraser. And it works very simply. All you have to do is drag and drop and trace out what you want to disappear. So in this instance, I have two images here, and I'm going to show you how it both works. You can't see it in the top right, but I have two images which I am dragging and dropping right now, and now it is uploading. So here's a very simple image, and what we want to do, it's a photo of me playing football, but all we want to do is remove the ball. So all we have to do is just trace exactly where the ball is, and maybe we can also remove this watermark right here. So let's just do that. And erase object. Just with a simple trace, the watermark is disappeared, and so is the ball, and you don't even see a shadow of the ball. This time we're back here in the object eraser, and let's try something a little more complex with a little more detail. Alright, so right here we have a photo of my cat. He's admiring the view, but it's under my desk during a time when I had too many cables. So let's remove the cables from this image. We are just going to trace out all of the cables, maybe use a thinner brush size because the cables themselves aren't that big. So just trace. And we can leave the topmost cables because I think it looks natural. So let's give this a shot. Erase object. And what about that? The cables are gone. I look like I have good cable management. And yep, just like that, that is how the AI object eraser works in Piktochart. You can try it out for yourself for free. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.